Welcome to Millennialsolar channel. This video is the standard operating procedure for bypass diode tester. Place the component inside the environmental chamber, and connect it to the diode testing equipment, via the test ports on the chamber. Link PVE and PV on the equipment to the positive and negative terminals of the component. Then connect the environmental chamber to the equipment. Connect V1+, V1 V3+, V3 to the anode and cathode of each diode, for voltage measurement. Connect the power cables of both the equipment and the environmental chamber to a power outlet for energization. Power on the equipment by turning the air switch to the on position. Turn on the equipment and environmental chamber. Then activate the pulse power supply, forward, reverse constant current power supply, and industrial computer power switch. After the pulse power supply is on, press enter. Click OFF on the pulse power supply to switch the channel status to on. Open the test software, and enter the password to access the test system. Navigate to the recipe settings interface to configure the diode junction temperature test parameters. After editing the test name, click Add to sequentially set parameters in the test steps. Configure the pulse power current according to the component's STC short circuit current. Enter the following data, in accordance with the IEC standard. Once setup is complete, select the Auto option to enter the real-time monitoring interface. In the test recipe section, select the predefined test name. Input the number of diodes based on actual test conditions. Click Start to initiate the test in automatic mode. Use the toggle function in the lower right corner to monitor test data in real time. Click Data Query, select the test results storage folder, and open, save the data in Excel format. Historical data queries can be conducted by selecting test points to display a specific pulse curve or to display all.